Welcome to NVK Projects Work and Training Institute.
In this video, discuss about mini tractor by bike. The main object of the project is agriculture is the backbone of India, but lack of agriculture machineries to the farmers. So we design mini tractor in bike to enhance the agriculture. In this project, a plunger is fixed in the backside of the bike to make the blitz the ground. In our institute, we provide mechanical, automobile, mechatronics, main and mini projects are available here. All over Tamil Nadu, project kit material delivery in 3 days, free online demonstration, online payments available, 100% working delivery. For more details, contact below number. Thank you. For more videos, subscribe to our channel.